Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Daily Leetcode Problems in 1 minute part 12. So here's the problem. An integer has sequential digits if and only if each digit in the number is more than the previous digit. Return a sorted list of all the integers in the range low to high, inclusive, that have sequential digits. So here's an example with low 100 and high 300, 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4. So here's the function with self, low, and high as input. We want to start by importing math and calculate how many digits are in the low and high number. Next, we're going to initialize our list that we're going to return at the end and have a local copy of the sequential digits. Now we're going to start iterating through the number of digits from the low to high inclusive. Next, we're going to iterate through options, taking out the specific number of digits that we need. Next, we want to check if that number is greater or equal to the low and less than or equal to the high. Then we want to add it to our digits. Finally, all we need to do is return digits. Let's run it. And here are the results. Thanks, that's all I got. Like and comment for what you want to see next.